So I ordered this light bulb because it looks old-timey and cool, basically. It's made by Intertech. It says right there. We'll take a look at it and see how. There we have it. That's pretty cool. I was thinking I might put it in the garage just to, there's a spot in the garage where the kids sit in the summer and whatnot, and I go hang out once in a while. I'm going to see if it'll work out there or not. It'll be kind of cool to hang over the couch and all that stuff, so we'll probably end up putting it there, but I'll put it somewhere in the house for now just to test it out and see if it works. Alright, so we have it plugged in right here, or screwed in I should say. We're not going to keep it here, like I said, this is probably going to go out in the garage. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. It gives off kind of a yellow, like old school kind of light. It's pretty neat. It actually lights up quite a bit. It's lighting up there. That's just from this one light bulb. So even though it's LED and it's kind of like an old-timey light, it still lights up quite a bit in a room. So it's definitely worth it. I like it. It's going to look cool out in the garage where we're going to be using it. So I'm definitely happy.